Hello guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to do a quick short introduction to something that I use quite often when I'm working with the cron jobs, node scheduler. This is basically package that I'm using frequently, as I said, when I'm trying to apply certain tasks that should be executed in the certain specific date time, or running repeatedly in some certain period of time. To start with, create the folder where you want to initialize your npm project and start by running npm init-i to create the package JSON file. And then do not forget to change the type to module, and also you can configure the start of your script by applying node app.js. So app.js is going to be the file that we're going to use for coding, and then you can start installing the npm package npm I node scheduler, and import that on the top of your file in your file. When the package is imported, then you can start by configuring the date, the specific date or when you want the scheduler to execute. I selected to run it today. It's 10:35 Swedish time, so I will add it 10:37 just to make it in time. So it's gonna be executed on today's date, 10:37, and then we can start by saying schedule job, input the date that we have declared, and the task should be running. So if we run npm start, the application is going to start, and hopefully we should just wait for a few seconds and the job should be executed. Meanwhile, we are waiting to time switch to 10:37. I will also show later on how you can run job in the specific intervals, which is also used when you want to execute job like on the daily basis, or execute it every hour or minute or in a couple of seconds. So as you can see, the time was 10:37, job started and job ended in the same period of time. So if you want to run your application on some specific date time, or to execute it on some specific certain period, you can also do that. And usually this cron tab.cronhub.io is a really good page where you can specify and define your expression to understand exactly how you're going to specify when the task should occur. But here you're basically adding the configuration. So this is the part where you're configuring your expression, and this expression means basically that the task should be executed every 5 seconds. So it's really similar to previously. What we are saying is the scheduled task, scheduled job, instead of setting the specific date as we did here before. here we are saying that it should be executed every 5 seconds, and the job should then print the job ended at whatever period of time it ended. So if we start running again npm start, you should see that the job should be executed every 5 seconds. So indeed it does. So if you can see the 45, and the next execution was 50, and the next one should be 55, and so on, and it's gonna run until we stop the execution of the code. And that's all for this session. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if there is anything you would like me to explain in more details, just let me know by hitting or writing the comment below. And if you find this type of videos helpful or inspiring, please press like and share. That also helps me and keeps me motivated of creating more of the videos. There will be a couple of new videos soon, so stay tuned. Thank you.